stop. If you're thinking about buying Vibe AI, there's something you need to know first. Because this is not just another AI tool. This might be the first time you stop using AI platforms and actually own one. And if you miss this, you might stay stuck paying monthly forever. If you decide to get Vibe AI, make sure you grab it through the link in the description, because I'm giving away exclusive founder-level bonuses that can literally turn this into a full SaaS income system. And trust me, these bonuses are the real game changer. What is Vibe AI? Vibe AI is the world's first hard-coded vibe coding platform that lets you launch your own AI software platform, like Claude or Reflect, under your name, your domain, your control, in just 60 seconds instead of building apps. You build the platform where others build apps, and you get paid monthly. Benefits. Why people are interested. Here's why this is blowing up right now. You don't need coding skills, no developers or freelancers, no monthly fees. You can charge users monthly, recurring income, and create real SaaS products, not just content. And the biggest shift? You go from user to owner. Instead of paying $20, $50, $100 a month, you become the one collecting it. Inside Vibe AI, you're getting your own white label AI platform, built-in Stripe and PayPal, monetization user dashboard, plus subscription system AI that builds websites, apps, funnels, instantly real-time generation, live preview, plus instant deploy. Your users can literally type, create a website, build a SaaS app, and make a sales funnel. And it builds instantly inside your platform. And every time they use it, you get paid. Honest pros and cons. Now let's be honest. Pros. No coding needed. Full ownership. Big advantage. Recurring income potential. One-time price. Huge deal. And beginner-friendly. Cons. Needs basic understanding of business model. Not instant money. You still need traffic and slight learning curve for full potential. But compared to paying monthly tools forever, this flips the entire game. Results. What to expect. You can launch your own SaaS platform, charge $10.97 a month per user, build recurring income, and sell apps, services for $502,000. Some users even reported getting their first client within days. But let's be clear. This is leverage, not magic. Action equals results. Now this is where it gets insane. If you grab Vibe AI through my link, you get Bonus 1, 6-figure, Vibe Coding Mastermind, value $19.97, private live event showing how to scale SaaS to 6 figures fast. Bonus 2, 26-in-1 infrastructure suite, value $1,497. Your complete digital workforce for traffic, leads, funnels, and automation. Bonus 3, Vibe Bot Builder Pro, value $1,297. Create AI bots that handle support, close sales, and work into 24/7. Bonus 4, ChatGPT Profit Blueprint, value $997. Learn 20+ ways to make money with AI. Bonus 5, Facebook Messenger Bot Pro, value $1,109. Automate leads plus conversions using chatbot systems. Total bonus value, $5,000+. Yours free, limited time. So, is Vibe AI worth it? If you want ownership instead of subscriptions, recurring income model, and AI-powered SaaS business, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. Especially at this one-time price, plus 30-day guarantee, risk E0. So if you're serious, click the link in description to lock your access. Grab all bonuses before they expire. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.